What?
There's dogs everywhere over here.
Can you make a vlog for yourself? Okay. Where are you going?
To the store.
Store? What are you going to do today? Anong gagawin niyo doon?
Buy some chocolate.
You gonna buy something?
Video chocolate.
Yeah, that's choco. Baby boy. It's so dark. Why it's so dark? What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
Zion.
Oh, you, boy. What's your name?
Shimon.
You.
Shimon.
What's your name? Ryan.
Shimon.
Sure, man. Okay, we're gonna buy something.
Okay, let's go.
This is our mini store here in the village. Ito yung mga...
See me? Where? There's people. There's no many there.
Sir, pabili po.
Tita, soft drinks.
Ha?
Soft drinks.
Soft drinks.
Soft drinks.
Meron po kayong corned beef na pure foods. What?
I want soft drinks.
You want soft drinks? What soft drinks? Yung malaki po. Sige ho, yan na lang po. Tapos ano?
Ano pa?
Itlog.
Ilan?
5. And then... What do you want?
Soft drinks. I don't buy it. No, RC. I want RC. No, there's no
RC?
No, there's no RC. Yeah, there is RC. Let me choose RC.
You want RC?
Yeah.
Baby boy, what do you want?
I need.
Ano pa?
Yan po. May soft drinks po kayong malaki?
Meron.
Pabili nga po.
The RC.
Yung RC meron ba? RC?
Kasalo lang yun.
Sige, isang ganun ho.
No, two. I mean, but
Hindi, gonna buy a big one because hindi niya naman kailangan ng ano.
that one over there in the fridge.
Ate, what do you want? What?
I wanted that one in the fridge.
What? Hindi po pwede yun. Kasi ano yun? Pang matanda na yun.
You're sa baba?
Hmm.
Why? What do you want?
No, I wanted the RC, the one in the fridge.
No, that's not for kids. Kuya, come here.
Ano, new RC?
Yeah, the RC right there
Tay?
in the fridge.
Tayo ano lang pala, yung RC na nasa bote daw. Ayun oh. May tinuturo. Wag na po yung malaki tayo, pasensya na ho. Pabili po ng isa, dalawa, 4. Yung RC po na nasa bote, yan. Tabi. What's that?
It's a golden bucket, so you can use it for
Golden ba?
golden bucket.
Aha. Bawang po na isang ganun na malaki.
Tingnan ko meron pa.
Sige po.
Why is there many?
We're 4.
How about bubble?
Hindi pa kita yung kay Kambal, baby. Pag mo.
Ay, sige po. Okay na po yan. Oo, magkano po yung ano? 250? Sige.
Tita, how do you open this?
Yeah, let me do. Ito po. Can,
Tita, can you open this?
wait. I'm gonna teach you how to open. I'll hold it. Now open it.
Ah. It's not opening.
Open.
Okay. Can I buy some other milk?
Ha?
Milk.
Milk? O, Yakult na lang.
No. Can I get some? Here. Hey, here's your go. There. There. Look at this.
What happened?
The pressure came out.
I came out.
Give me your coins. Magkano po yung Yakult?
13.
13. Kunan mo ako.
750.
Alright, stop. Oh,
Isa.
isa lang po. Ito. Give me the coins. Ayun, 10 pesos. Okay.
Shake it.
Let's go.
Kambal, shake it.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Chloe, you hold this one on an egg. This is the egg. Okay. Oh, mata.
I have to put the pressure inside. Now it's making like this, I think.
Okay, it's okay. Let's go.
You're gonna stop making a bug. You're just gonna make more noise. Can I open this?
What's that?
I can open this.
Ah, dito yung ano. Ito yung PLDT. Let's go. This is our village. We are located in Philippines. And this is how we do every day or weekend. We're gonna buy soft drinks or soda. This is our chop. Stop it, tabi. Who's that? Sino nagagalit, baby boy? The dogs? Why the dogs is so ano?
Because they saw Choco. That's why. That's why they're barking because.
Why the dog is so noisy?
Because Choco's here. They don't. They don't like the other. They don't like other dogs.
And then
Because they already have. Because the other dogs joined that one. That one. They said there's my dogs there.
mhm.
And that's why they already joined it together. They all barked at him because he's different.
Really?
Yes, because Choco's different than them.
Okay.
explode. When it has the pressure going up.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna explode if you shake it.
Hmm?
And if you open it, it's gonna go up. Where are you going? Why are you pulling them?
Are you finished, baby boy?
Yeah, I'm finished your milk.
You finish your Yakult? Oh, tabi, tabi. Ben.
Look, it's Papa.
Ming Ming.
Ming Ming. They ran away. Just do. Lobo, that's not how
So dark.
Lobo, what are you doing? I thought you were English, you leave. Because English.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, and that the pressure was gonna go up. Can I check
Knock, knock on the gate. Knock
Come
on.
on.
Knock on the gate.
Hey.
Ubus na.
Hi guys.
Oh, say hi.
What do hi viewers?
Oh, hi viewers. Say hi.
Hi viewers. Look at my ate. Why are you scared, ate?
Say hi.
Oh my god.
Come here. Come here. Miss Chloe, kailangan na yung pagkain. Let's go. Chef. Let's go up.